Dementia is one of the few diseases that I know of where someone goes into the doctor and says, you know, I'm having some problems with my memory, and the doctors don't have any options for them.
We tend to think of dementia as being just memory problems, but actually agitation, depression, anxiety are all very common in people with dementia. Those conditions can actually accelerate their cognitive decline. There's a lot of evidence out there that music can really help people experiencing those changes in mood and behaviour, particularly agitation, especially in a residential aged care setting.
So one thing that I'm particularly interested in is something called repetitive negative thinking, which is something that can really contribute to your mental health and possibly also to your risk of dementia.
My research program is looking at connections between the gut microbiome, inflammation throughout our body, and how that can drive dementia onset.
The particular project that I'll be working on focuses on dementia in children and adolescents. Our research is hoping to understand why these really significant mutations that are quite rare happen in children and adolescents, and how potentially these mutations could be linked to dementia in later stages of life.
At the moment I'm specialising in protein nanocages and developing these for the treatment of Alzheimer's. There are currently over 400,000 people in Australia that suffer from Alzheimer's. At the moment, the treatments only alleviate the symptoms. They don't treat the underlying disease-causing mechanisms.
We've now managed to link up with an international study called DIAN, Dominantly Inherited Alzheimer Network, and we've now completed the first clinical trial. It's research for a long haul.
I was very excited and very honoured to receive the support of Dementia Australia Research Foundation.
None of this would have been possible without their support and funding. I've always been really proud of the work that Dementia Australia does, and I've actually raised funds for them as well in the past.